The video series is structured around 3 short 10-minute videos. Part 1, Technical Leadership, discusses 2 models: Project Leadership Continuum and Project Fundamentals. Part 2 explores the Success Formula model. And Part 3 applies the Success Formula model to project delivery. The concepts discussed over this series are captured in our Leader Success Factors pocketbook, which you can download from our website. Let's look at Part 2 and explore a new model called the Success Formula. The Leader Success Factors. The following Leader Success Factors are crafted to help technical specialists in transitioning to effective leaders. They offer a success formula for implementing the project fundamentals we discussed in video 1, thereby helping you, a technical specialist or a project leader, and your team in achieving both your personal and project objectives through the application of the project lifecycle. I really encourage you to review the success factors, reflect on the accompanying graphics, and apply them to your work. I would like you to begin incorporating them into your approach as you navigate through the project fundamentals. We will now explore the success formula. At the end of this video, you should recognize that different conversations are needed for project success. You will acknowledge the importance of harnessing the facilitation, and you'll embrace collaboration as a catalyst for project success. Success Factor 1. We will deliver better projects by having different conversations. As I moved through my career, I realized project success is all about different conversations. I published this book, Facilitating for Success, originally in 2012 and then updated it in 2015. The research for this book involved speaking to highly experienced and evolved colleagues over many years, as well as my personal growth working and facilitating hundreds of projects. It started in 2000 when I completed my black belt training for Six Sigma, and then I applied some of this thinking to my work. I then moved into HR to establish a project management office and started to train people to run better projects before starting TriHelix 12 years ago. Now, we've observed that the successful projects engage in the various types of conversations. For example, a successful team facilitates open, technical, and acceptance conversations. And over the years, we've built an extensive suite of these conversation topics that can act as this third point of reference to help you have these conversations. These topics are facilitated to build openness, deliver the technical work, and ensure acceptance of the technical work in our hearts and minds. I'd like you to observe the chart's balance, illustrating the necessity of the 4 distinct types of conversations to ensure we execute the fundamentals effectively. Facilitation. Now, the colours are really important. The red lies at the core of the project fundamentals, directly impacting all aspects. Facilitation will significantly enhance and magnify the effectiveness of the openness, the yellow, the technical, the light blue, and the acceptance, the green conversations. Success factor number 2. We will deliver better projects by harnessing facilitation. A leader invests in facilitation to amplify the openness, the yellow, and the acceptance, the green, and the technical work, the light blue. And a leader recognises its pivotal role in project success. This success formula is 25 years of my thinking. I originally started off with the facilitation, then the blue, the technical, and the green, the acceptance. In 2018, I introduced the openness, the yellow, to the formula. And this success formula describes the relationship between the various types of conversations required for project success. The facilitation work is a key function of technical leadership and describes the planning and delivery of meaningful conversations. The formula shows that facilitation is just not an additional component. It actually influences and amplifies the openness, technical, and acceptance work. Reflect on your current work. Do you invest your time in facilitation? Success factor number 3. We will deliver better projects by embracing collaboration. Coming out of COVID in 2022, I published this book, Collaboration in the Digital World. It was important to understand why people collaborate, what's their purpose or their belief. Why do they want to interact with others? More importantly, why do people want to collaborate at all? To answer these questions, I interviewed 60 people from 17 sectors and simply asked, why do we collaborate? The answer was pretty clear. In fact, collaboration is part of our DNA and is driven by nature, our emotions, the personal connections we have, the way we interact, and also the human evolution. Success factor number 3. A leader collaborates effectively to broaden your project influence, driving the facilitation, the openness, the technical, and the acceptance conversations, thereby making projects successful. As the formula shows, collaboration, the big C, actually drives all our facilitation, openness, technical, and acceptance conversations. Collaboration actually makes things happen. Collaboration is how we bring the success formula and our projects to life. Reflect on your current work. Do you use collaboration to broaden your project's influence? This is a wonderful quote. I interviewed the Australian Olympic gymnastics team from Tokyo, and they believed as individuals, each gymnast is an elite athlete at the top of their game. But as a group, they actually became Olympians. They all recognised by themselves they wouldn't have made it to the Olympics as they didn't have the ability to compete alone. But as a group coming together, they were able to do this. They believed it's a beautiful thing for all 6 of them to be working towards one goal and knowing that without each other, they would not have been able to do it. On a side note, every activity in a gymnastics routine is actually called a collaboration. They are scored on collaboration. We've just completed part 2, success formula. You should now recognise that different conversations are needed for success. You'll acknowledge the importance of harnessing the facilitation, and you will embrace collaboration as a catalyst for project success. Watch out for our next video, part 3, project delivery. Go to our website and type in the coupon code Lunch and Learn, and you'll be able to download our pocketbook. Thank you so much for your interest, and I hope to see you soon. Reach out if you have any questions around project success. And have a wonderful day.